are experiencing a login failure with error code 2026 while trying to install Overwatch 2. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch website or social media channels to check if the game servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Restart your computer or console to refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Update your game client. Ensure that your game client is updated to the latest version. Open the Battle.net launcher, select Overwatch 2, and check for any available updates. Install them and try logging in again. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Verify that your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test or try connecting to a different network to see if the issue persists. If your connection is unstable, troubleshoot your network settings or contact your ISP. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Overwatch 2. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. After reinstalling, try logging in again. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Blizzard's customer support for further assistance.